Unveiling the ultimate Chick-Fil-A Frosted Lemonade recipe. Welcome to the zenith of gastronomic indulgence. Our team of culinary experts has meticulously devised an enchanting journey for your taste buds, as we guide you through recreating the illustrious Chick-Fil-A Frosted Lemonade. With exquisite precision and a love for detail, we'll unlock the magic behind this beloved classic. The allure of frosted lemonade. Subtle, tangy, and lush, the frosted lemonade is the epitome of divine refreshment. The alchemy between the velvety ice cream and the zestful lemon juice results in a celestial concoction, unrivaled in flavor and finesse. Ingredients: a confluence of perfection. To manifest this delectable nectar, we've carefully selected the finest ingredients. 1. Pure lemon juice, 1 cup, freshly squeezed. 2. Granulated sugar, 1/3 cup. 3. Water, 2/3 cup. 4. Vanilla ice cream, 2 cups, high quality. 5. Lemon zest, 1 tablespoon, optional. 6. Mint leaves for garnish. Preparing the lemon syrup, a symphony of sweetness. Creating the simple syrup. Combine granulated sugar and water in a saucepan, and gently heat until the sugar dissolves completely. The trick lies in not allowing it to boil, as we seek to preserve the pristine, granulated structure. Infusing with lemon. Once cooled, stir in the freshly squeezed lemon juice. At this point, introducing lemon zest adds an extra dimension to citrus indulgence. Store in the refrigerator to chill. Assembling the frosted lemonade, the ultimate fusion. The perfect blend. In a blender, combine 1 cup of your chilled lemon syrup with 2 cups of high-quality vanilla ice cream. Blend until smooth and creamy. The symphony between citrus and cream ascends to a crescendo here, achieving a perfect equilibrium. Serving with panache. Pour into glasses, garnishing with a sprig of mint or a slice of lemon. This not only enhances aesthetic appeal but also adds an olfactory charm. Pro tips for the connoisseurs. 1. Opt for organic lemons to ensure a natural, robust flavor. 2. Experiment with varied ratios of lemon syrup to ice cream for customized palate sensations. 3. Pre-chill the glasses in the freezer for an elevated, frosty experience. Diagnosing your frosted lemonade, the Mermaid diagram. This simple flowchart illustrates the interplay between various aspects in crafting the frosted lemonade. The freshness of ingredients significantly impacts the taste, while blending consistency and chill levels dictate the texture. All these elements amalgamate into the ultimate frosted lemonade experience. In conclusion, a toast to exquisiteness. We have traversed the wondrous path to creating the quintessential Chick-Fil-A Frosted Lemonade. With every sip, savor the harmony of zest and creaminess, and let it transport you to a realm of culinary ecstasy. Here's to celebrating the art of perfect concoctions, and to many more moments of delectable indulgence.